What's good, PB gang? It's your boy Poppy Blasted, aka Rope God.
Rope God. Rope God.
Yeah. And today I'm coming at y'all with a reaction video to hey bro, I'm happy to do this video, bro. See, I'm so happy that I'm fucking stuttering. You feel me? No, I'm happy to do this video for you guys because a lot of you guys always ask this question, man. How do I get my hair back thick? You feel me? How do I get my hair healthy? You know, how do I get it thick? I'm thinning. You know what I'm saying? So a lot of you guys always ask me that. Bro, I get this question asked a lot. You know? So I'm about to sum everything up in one. You feel me? I already did a video on the best product to use to get your hair back to grow. You feel me? So if you have thinning hair, where it doesn't matter if you was born with thin hair or if you was not born with thin hair, you have longer hair, but in due time your hair kind of got thin. You feel me? I don't know what you did, if you wasn't taking care of it or what, it just start falling out or whatever, or it's just genetics. You feel me? You just, you know, your uncle or your dad or somebody might, you know, have a receding hairline, or you know, their crown area might start, you know, balding over time. You know what I'm saying? This product right here, this video, I'm gonna just sum everything all up in one right here, man. We about to do a reaction to a video I already did, and it got big numbers on it. We got about 3,000 something. Oh, let me see. 3,000. What the hell I'm talking about? 3,000. 370,000 views on it. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if you saw it already. I don't want you to miss out on this video. I want y'all to watch it right now with me. You feel me? I haven't watched it since I made it, to be honest. And yeah, man, we about to just watch this video right here. How to make your hair and thin spots thick and healthy. RTB plus Biotin mix. It's a product right here that'll get your hair thick, man. I told y'all. Trust the process, man. Trust the product. Stay tuned. Let's get it.
I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy.
Alright, y'all, so let's get it. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Poppy Blasted, aka Rope God. Hey, Rope God. Hey, Rope God. Yeah. And as you can see, man, we outside. It's a nice day. It's Friday. You know, and I figured, why not just do a video outside, man? See, I might hear a couple of cars driving by and whatnot, but hey, it's part of the video. You feel me? It's part of nature, man. It look nice out here. You know what I'm saying? But today I'm coming at y'all with a video. I filmed this in 4K as well.
Struggling with hair growth. You feel me? You might have thinning hair. You feel me? Or you might just have thin spots. Or you might just be having you know, in your genes, man, your family, your genes, deep in your genes. Some of us tend to thin, like receding hairlines and all that. So this right here is the method that you should do. This might help you out, you feel me? I'm not guaranteeing you, but it most likely will help you out because I done have results. I'm gonna show you guys results and all that, man. So we're gonna get deep in depth in the video in a minute, man. How to thicken up your thin hair, okay? Let go.
Y'all I'm telling y'all, man, don't leave, feel me? The video might be a little long because it is 10 minutes and I do talk a lot, but I talk a lot for a reason, man. I'm trying to explain you guys, like, trust me. This product definitely worked, man. Bro, y'all don't sleep on this product, bro. I'm just telling y'all, man. We've been having this product out for about 4 years. It'd be 4 years going on October. Or would it be 5 years? No, it'd be 4 years going on October, man. So, you know, it's definitely a great product, man. We done seen hella good results, man. I'm showing you in this video, so that's what I'm saying. Don't leave, stay there, and I'm gonna show y'all exactly, you know, the results and all that, so y'all can see all that. So don't leave the video. Keep watching it.
Man, you do not want to use a hard brush, man. When you have thinning hair, or you have a thin spot, or you have a receding hairline, do not use, I repeat, do not use a hard brush.
No,
what the hard brush is going to do is thin it even more. So, if you tend to use a hard brush, if you want to, if you choose to, then barely use it. Like, so if you woofing and your hair is thin, and that one thin spot, try to avoid using it on that one spot. So go around that spot, or if you use it on that spot, barely, don't put too much pressure on that spot because it's going to thin it even more.
Right,
you don't want to thin it even more. You want it to grow. So I highly recommend that your primarily brush is a medium brush and a soft brush. These are your go-to brushes right here. These are your best friends, okay?
Facts.
These. You know what I'm saying? Use a medium, any soft that you choose to use. No hard brushes. As well, your best friend is going to be this right here, RTB.
RTB, bro, that's the product right there, man. And it actually, man, we had like labels in the works. We had labels already for the product or whatever, but the dude that we used to make the official labels, not that label, not just the RTB label, we just labeled it like that, so when you get it, you will know which product is what, because we also have other products too as well, so you will know exactly what product this one is. But yeah, man, we originally had a person to make labels for us. That was before this. Like, we've been had labels, but we fell in contact with him. We fell out of contact with him, so we don't mess with him no more. We actually needed somebody else, and I actually asked in this video, and a lot of people was contacting me asking and was telling me, like, asking us, like, did you need somebody still, like somebody to create the labels? And then I was telling them, oh no, we got somebody else already, because we thought we had somebody else, but that person didn't even fall through. So I'm telling you right now, if you guys know somebody, or you are the person who make professional labels, okay, we will cash you guys out. Hit us up through email and we will cash you guys out so we can make some labels, because I know it's only right to have labels, you know what I'm saying? So, and also we got the websites in the works too, so only way you can contact us is through I'll leave it in the description box below, but pretty much my email. Just contact us through email, and all products are purchased through PayPal. So if you feel like, oh, you want your money back or whatever, if you feel like we're a scam or whatever, all this, which we're not, but if you feel like we are or whatever, you can always get your money back from PayPal. We're not though, but I'm just saying, I know a lot of people get impatient.
Okay, this right here is Royal Thickening Butter, man. I sell this, okay? I sell this. This right here will give you life. You feel me? It will thicken your hair up. It will, thicken your thin spots. If you have like a couple thin spots, whatever. If you're not even thinning, you just got thin spots, and you're trying to get it to thicken up, boom, use that. If you're woofing, but you're trying to speed up your woof because your hair grows slow, boom, this will work. If you're, have a receiving hairline right here through the genetics, boom, this will work.
Yeah,
you feel me?
real.
Yeah, man. If you just want to period, it works for a lot of different things, man, as far as thickening.
Also, a lot of you guys too, I get this question asked a lot. I might as well touch bases on this topic too as well. A lot of you guys ask, man, do it works on beards? Like, if you have a thin beard, you're trying to get it thick or whatever, or if your beard is not all the way, you have patches in your beard because it's not all the way fully, thickened through. You know what I'm saying? Use that on your beard twice a day. Same method as putting it in your hair. You want to use this in the morning. I recommend in the morning. In the morning when you wake up, and before you go to sleep at night, you apply the RTB. Don't put a lot in there because we don't want your hair to cake up or nothing like that. Just put a good amount, and then you'll be good.
Try this by itself first, okay? My bad. Try this by itself first.
I was looking.
If it doesn't work by itself, then you want to use with other things, like try with Biotin. You feel me? And this right here is Biotin right here. This right here is 5,000 mcg. So this is the dose is 5,000. You don't want to go straight into using 10,000 and what they got? Yeah, 10,000. Really, that's the highest dose. You don't want to go straight to using that because you want to get your body first used to that lower dose. You don't want to go straight to the higher dose. So if I recommend, if you're using Biotin, use only 5,000. Okay, then you can work your way up to using 10,000. 10,000 is real strong and it's going to work. So if you're using this right here by itself, Don't go straight to the 10,000, but you can, like 2 months later, gradually work your way up to the 10,000 NCG. So if this don't work by itself, use Biotin with it. You feel me?
Right.
Sometimes you gotta use certain. You can't just think that this gonna work by itself. You gotta use something else with it. Also, that will help your hair grow. It's keeping it clean, keeping your hair clean, stimulating the growth. When you put this in, twice a day. So I recommend in the morning and before you go to sleep at night.
That's crazy reacting to my own video,
though. Throughout the day, you brushing or whatever. Don't put it in.
But it's facts,
one or other time at night before you go to sleep. That way, it could do its thing overnight. It could, stimulate your hair all overnight. You feel me? And also, you're using that soft brush when you put it in. You want to stimulate the hair growth by using
a soft brush.
So you put it in your thin spot, wherever your thin spot.
The reason why, like I tell you guys all the time, you want to use a soft brush to brush any of your products in, any of your hair products in, is because obviously if your hair is thin, that's a good thing to use a soft brush, because you don't want to use a hard brush, because the hard brush is going to damage the thin spots, the thin areas. You don't want it to get damaged, to get red and irritated. You feel me? So you want to use a soft brush to brush the product in so that it could stimulate the scalp and also distribute the oils evenly. You feel me? Distribute the oils evenly. So yeah, y'all can see the TV in the back. The heck is that ID channel? My girl always watching the ID channel, bro. I hate the ID channel, nigga. I watch it sometimes, but like, man, I don't know. I like First 48. You feel me? A&E.
Maybe your crown, your side, whatever it's at. Put it in. Use the soft brush to stimulate it. You feel me? Brush it in. Brush it in for about 5-10 minutes in that spot. If you choose to put it in your whole head, you can too as well. You feel me? But just get a brief brush session with the softy brush to brush it in. Only brush this in with a softy brush. Only brush this product in with a softy brush. You know? So I'm giving you deep in details on how to use this product right here. Royal Thickening Butter, RTB. We also have Royal Thickening Oil. So if you choose to use an oil instead of using a butter, Royal Thickening Oil is for you. You know what I'm saying? Use that instead. Depending on the consistency that you want, the consistency that you prefer.
Exactly.
You feel me? So we got the butter, which is this. The butter. This is the butter.
Real light. Real light. The butter real light as well.
Easy way to tell that your bed is awful.
So it's easy to distribute. But if you choose to use the oil, you know, we have oil too as well. Same price.
The butter. This is the butter. We also have the
Royal Thickening
oil. So you could just, with the dropper,
Royal Thickening oil
spots or whatever, and then just still, you know, rub it in, stimulate the scalp, brush it in after that. You feel me? But if you choose to use a butter, you know, you take it out, of course, put it in, whatever. So it all depends on what type of consistency you want. It's gonna give you the same results. You feel me? So, yeah, man. With that said, man, this video is pretty much done. Right now, I'm about to show you guys the results to the customers who have used this product over years. This product been out. We've been doing this royal. We've been having a royal line out for a while now. I say about almost going on 4 years. So this product been out for a while.
So y'all heard all that. Y'all heard how to use the product, okay? You heard how to use it and the benefits of it. Now I'm gonna show you the facts of customers who previously used it and who are using it actually still now. You know what I'm saying? I have new these are old, but I have new of them. I'll probably make another video too soon, and I'll show you some new some new customers that use the product or whatever, who like it, and they also send me results too. But these results right here, yeah, it's gonna blow y'all away, bro. Like, y'all just think I'm just saying this, just doing this to make money. I'm doing this to help y'all. You feel me? Yeah, okay, yeah, yes. Yeah, of course I'm gonna want money too. Of course, I ain't gonna lie, yes. But the first thing that you think about, the first thing that's on my mind is helping you guys out, because I know that it's hard to, you know, come across good thin product, especially if you're trying to get good, great waves. You can't, your hair is not going to reach its curl if it's thin. You know what I'm saying? So it have to be thick so they can reach a full curl to wave up. So this is gonna help you guys. So yeah, yes. I know, like, oh, you just do it for the money. Like, I've been doing this for a long time. I've been doing this for 4 years. I'm helping you guys, bro. Like, I want you guys to, like, witness a great product, bro. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I was like, you know what, let me do a reaction to this video. You know, but yeah, this is what, let me see.
One at gmail.com. I'll have the link in the description box. It's not in the link, but
if you want the product, you see, that's what you do right here. PoppyBlasted1@gmail.com. Make sure that you email me, because I know a lot of you guys are gonna comment on the video like, oh, how do I purchase it? You didn't watch the whole video. I'll just explain it to you right now how to purchase it. You know, and don't worry, we have a website coming soon. And also, before I finish off this video, I want you guys to, like I said, if you know how to make labels and they're professionally made, serious inquiries only, bro. Like, hit me up, okay? Hit me up, email me, and we can make something work, and I'll cash all out. We'll cash all out, and we can get these labels made. You feel me? For real, for real.
But I will.
But I'm about to show you guys the results right now, okay?
And
so let's get it.
Business also through
Let's
email.
get it.
Okay?
Results. Look at that. Look how, bruh. See? Bro, look at bro crown, bro. Look how thin that was, and look how it is now. Come on, bruh. Come on, bruh. This makes me hype because I'm helping people out, bro. This just makes me hype. Helping y'all out, man. I love doing this. I love doing this, man. Real, bro. It's crazy, man. Like, people don't know how to, bro, when you have thin hair, it is hard to grow it back. Like, this shit is helping. Look at that. Bro. Come on, y'all. Look at. Results, RTP results, RTP results, results, hey, results, RTP results, RTP results. Take notes, take notes. Woohoo! Look at that, bro. Look at that, bro. Shout out to my boy Antoine Dudley, man. That's the face of RTB, bro. This right here, it's just like, bro, do you see how he brought his hair back? That's what I mean by, you see how he had waves all on the side right here and nothing in the middle because it was too thin to reach his curl length to wave up. Soon as that started getting thick, you see the waves right there start to come in the middle. I'm trying to tell y'all, bro. Listen to me, bro. Listen to me. Look, it's another picture of him. Look at that. That's it, man. That's it, y'all. That's it, man. But I'm telling y'all, man. Hey, so that's the answer for you guys' questions right now. That's the answer for you guys' questions, man. You guys wanted to know how to get your hair thick and healthy. All right. How to get your hair thick. Just watch the whole video. It was 19 minutes. I'm sorry it was long, but y'all know I talk a lot. I try to get my stuff. I try to explain myself to the best of my ability so you guys can understand things. You feel me? Any questions? Comment below. If you wanna, if you wanna grab the product, feel free. Hit me up. Description box, poppyblasted1@gmail.com to grab the product, okay? Shout out to all you guys, man. Y'all know I do this for y'all. Love y'all. I'm just here to help. That's it. Let's get our hair thick and healthy.